upgrade because the Wi-Fi didn't work, but I was worried that we wouldn't have a kitchen, but I guess we'll just go out to eat. And thankfully we still have a mini fridge because we have refrigerated things that we need to keep in there. But over here we have a luggage rack, ironing board, and iron, a little fan in case it gets hot, couple hangers, and a safe.
We're starting with all the boring stuff.
Yeah. And then we have the mini fridge which will keep our food cold. And over here we have some instant coffee, some tea. We have a Gideon's Bible, a hairdryer, and a tea kettle, a couple glasses, and a little how-to guide for the Hermitage Hotel.
Mm-hmm. There's all our stuff that we just unpacked.
The other place had a desk.
Can ignore that.
This one doesn't, but we do have a private balcony.
Yes.
So whatever. Over here we have a toilet, 2 toilet paper holders.
Somehow that's important.
No,
But-
it's not. And here we have a soap, shower cap, and shampoos and stuff. And over here we do have a handheld shower. And over there was a fixed head one.
Mm-hmm.
And then our junk.
Yep, our
That we
junk.
didn't
Just
really
ignore
pack
that
properly.
stuff.
And here we have
There's the bed. This little table, chairs. Now here's the reason why we actually upgraded. Because we've got our own private balcony right in front of Mount Cook.
There we go.
So So
Ooh,
yeah.
Look at that. Somebody must be happy out here last night.
Somebody forgot something. That's okay though.
So we just got to the breakfast, okay?
Yeah.
Check out our view.
We got the awesome corner seat. Like right by the
I got a little pastry, a little poached egg on a sourdough and on avocado, egg frittata, hash brown, hollandaise, mushrooms, tomatoes, and a bacon. And the view. Brian's going for seconds, is he?
Possibly. I don't know yet.
Round 2 for me, I got an egg, a croissant, another little mini pastry, thing of cheese, bacon, more mushrooms, and a venison sausage. Little rabbit right there. It's time to check out from this place and this beautiful view. But hopefully we'll make our way back here some other time.
I hope so.
Yeah,
This is a nice spot. I want to come back.
Brian wants to get the premium room.
Yeah, well, we got a tour of the we
motel.
got a tour of the motel room, and we got upgraded to here, which is the like old
that view,
the old bits, and then there's still the premium rooms that are
which
in
is
the
upstairs. Well, like,
upstairs, like another building, and we haven't been in there yet. So we've got 2 out of 3 so far. We'll go for the other one next time.